Hello, here's a quick video on progression for you. So you'll see I made a spreadsheet here to illustrate the message that I'm trying to get across. Uh, Progression is the absolute key to your success. You have to be doing effective exercises, of course, it is important, but also it's what you do with those exercises and that you continue to progress over time. So I want to display what that might look like. And there's several ways of going about it, but generally speaking, this is just one of those ways, and this is just a nice way to illustrate it. So let's just take, for example, we're working on let's focus on the exercise of squats. So let's say you start in week one with squats. This exercise, you do 2 sets and you do 15 reps. So you're going to crank out 15 and then you set it down and then you wait for whatever rest period you have, or you go on to another exercise, working other muscles, and then you'll come back and you'll do your second set of 15 reps. Now, let's just say hypothetically, you happen to use 135 pounds on this exercise. That may be a lot for you, or that may be a little bit for you. Either way, it doesn't matter. The point is that we want to see the math here, because there's a term called tonnage. And tonnage, it's called that because the number that you end up getting is usually in the tons or the thousands of pounds. So what you did is you did 2 sets times 15 reps equals 30 total reps times 135 pounds that you used gets you to a total tonnage of 4,050. So for that exercise on those muscles, you did 4,050 pounds worth of work, is one way of looking at it. Okay. And then let's just say you want to get better. You want to train your muscles to work harder. You want to condition your body to get stronger, build more muscle, burn more fat, and all that good stuff, right? Well, then you have to get better. You can't just keep sticking to the same reps, same weight, same set. So down here, you've got, let's say, week 2 with the same exercise, same muscle group, squats, right? We're going to do 3 sets of 12. So that equals, what's that, 36 reps. So that's going to be a few more reps than the previous week. But also, because you're doing less reps in terms of week 1 to week 2, from 15 to 12, 3 less reps means you should be able to do more weight. So let's just say hypothetically you can do 145 pounds. There you go. Do the math, you get 5,220 pounds of tonnage. All right, taking it another step, in week 3, let's say you bumped up the sets again, hypothetically, and you were able to do 10 reps. That means, guess what? For only 10 reps, you can do more weight. This is increasing your strength. And the beauty of that is by adding that 4th set, you're doing even more reps times even heavier weight equals a much greater tonnage. And then down here, you're going to say, let's say you took it up following the same trend. Hypothetically, we did 5 sets of 8 reps. And since it's only 8, let's say you did even 165 pounds. Look at that. You bumped it up 10 pounds from what you did last week, and you still increased your tonnage. So despite doing less reps every single week, look at this. You're doing half as many reps, but of course you're doing much heavier weights and you're getting greater tonnage. So just as a way of visualizing this, this isn't the only model you can use, but this is a nice generic model that demonstrates how to increase the demands on your body each week. So that means make sure that as the weeks go on, you are pushing these exercises harder. So when you see the reps get lighter or less, don't look at that as a sign of, oh, good, it's going to be easier this week. Nope, that's just an opportunity for you to push yourself in this category even more. Okay, and that's how we'll end up with increased tonnage, and that's the key. Okay, hope that was helpful.